Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here for 10-minute trades. I want to show you this week's trade of the week, Home Depot. So let me show you what happened in the trade room and let's get started. So this is the second quarter in a row that Home Depot has been a very good trade. If you notice, there's these little lines on the chart. We're creating a range with time. And above the range, we'll put our orders, and below the range, we'll put our orders. We know these earnings are going to come out at a very specific time. So the range gets created over that period of time, and then our orders show up. There's our orders. And now what's going to happen is the news is going to come out, the earnings. We're watching the stock price on Thinkorswim, another broker, but we're trading futures on NinjaTrader. We're trading actually the YM futures. You could see it popped up, hit my first target. Now, stop management is one of the most important things when it comes to any trade. Also, where you put your targets. I got a little bit greedy and I increased my outer target. So instead of the price hitting my outer target, it barely got to where my old target would have been, and then it started to pull back. So I could have actually made maybe about $75 more than I did. However, I'm still considering Home Depot our trade of the week because this has just been a really good earnings trade. It's one of our new ones. It's reliable. And going forward, we could trade more and more contracts and it can be a big winner. Just remember always, it's not the amount of money each time that you make. Of course, the amount of money you make is important, but sometimes you've got to figure out the exact way to trade so you can make more money going forward. I hope you enjoyed this video. Home Depot, our trade of the week.